All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Creative Cloud plans. Okay, so a couple things to understand here. Um, for Photoshop in particular, if you just want to have the photography membership, which is $20 a month, that's a great option, and you get 1 TB of storage. It's really not a bad deal if you just want to use Photoshop. Okay, but I want you to keep something in mind. If you want to expand your options outside of Photoshop, then I recommend getting the Creative Cloud Apps membership, which is $59.99 a month. And it's essentially you get every app that is included in the Adobe suite, the library. Okay, so it depends on what you're looking for. So not all students are the same in terms of you want to have this or that or something in between, right? So pick the plan that you want to have. Okay, pick the plan that works for you and simplify it that way. Okay, so what I recommend doing is getting the Creative Cloud plan. But let me talk about each plan individually. Okay, so we have the Creative Cloud all apps plan for $59.99. So if I select that, it's going to say, okay, you can do a monthly plan for $89.99, an annual paid monthly plan for $59.99, or a prepaid plan for $659.88, which really isn't a bad deal. It's a very good deal. And this is all the stuff that you get. Okay, so you get Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Acrobat Pro, InDesign, After Effects, Lightroom, Adobe XD, Animate, Lightroom Classic, Dreamweaver, Audition, Uncopy, etc. Okay, so that's what you get if you just do the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. Now, if you're doing Photoshop, if you're doing Premiere Pro, if you're doing just Illustrator, After Effects, then just get that plan for that application that you're trying to learn. Lightroom, you can get this for $9.99 and then 1 TB of storage. The idea and the premise that I have for storage is I recommend 1 TB. I recommend 1 TB. I have, on my own account, I probably have 500 gigs worth of files that are not video files. My video files are in the terabytes. I have about, I'm guessing, I would say probably 10 terabytes of video. And that's like 6 years of recording, and I've deleted a lot of stuff. But my point is that when you're creating stuff in Creative Cloud with all these different applications, you need to have that storage for that. Okay, so that's the individual plan. So basically, the individual plan is just for an individual, and you can do individual apps, or you can do all the apps for $60. Okay, so if you look at it, if I do $20 for just Photoshop and Lightroom and 1 TB, that's a good deal. Or I can pay an additional $40 and get every app. Now, the 1 TB is more. I think you get 100 gigs of storage, and that's a good starting point, honestly. Once you get into it, you can always upgrade the storage, okay? And you can always get cloud storage somewhere else if you need to. So you don't necessarily have to do 1 TB, but I like to plan ahead, so that way I have plenty of runway to work with what I'm doing, okay? So that's the individual's plan. Now let's talk about the business plan. So the business plan, you can get all the Creative Cloud apps for $89.99 a month per license. So they charge you $90 a month for one license. Okay, and I believe you get 1 TB of space. I have to double check that. Yes. So for every license, you get 1 TB of cloud storage. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this allows you, if you're running a business, even if it's just one person that's in there, if you're running a business, if you look at the differences between individual and business, the difference is for an additional $20 or $30, you can get 1 terabyte of storage and get all the apps. To me, that's a good deal because yes, I'm paying a little bit more, but I'm getting all of the apps. I'm getting 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Okay. I'm getting 24/7 tech support. I have an admin console for managing the licenses. One-to-one expert sessions per user per year. Unlimited job posts using Adobe Talent. Slack and Microsoft Teams app integration. So you get a lot more tools with Creative Cloud Business than you do with the individual. Okay. So that's really the difference. You can get it for $90 per license or $1,079 per license per year. Okay. So they have monthly and it's paid. So it's an annual paid monthly. So you pay $90 a month. You're locked in for a year. So you do not, after 14 days, you have to pay a fee to get out of this. So the one thing I like about individuals over the business is that when I sign up for this and I do this one, I can cancel anytime, no fee. The reason why I want to do that, and it's the same price, the reason why you want to do this over the other one is you can try it out and say, hey, I want to try this out for a month. I'll pay the $90. And if I don't like it, I cut bait. Okay. And if you like it, you can still cancel and then get the other membership and lock yourself into it for a year. So you can try it out. Make sure you like it. You know, you don't want to be spending money on stuff that you're not going to use or that you don't like. Okay. So then they have Acrobat Pro. It's $23.99 a month per license. Okay. Creative Cloud single app, $23.99 a month per license. Okay. And then they have Adobe Substance 3D Collection, $100 a month for all their 3D applications. Okay. So that's individuals and business. Now let's do students and teachers real quick. This is just a discount if you're a student or a teacher. You can check your eligibility here and then you get the discount. Okay. And it's a great deal. Schools and universities. For this, there's a bunch of different options. You can do per named user license, per shared device, per student pack, institution-wide license. Now, with the stuff that I'm doing, it's going to be more in this realm, individuals, students and teachers, and business, okay? And I'm really focusing on individuals because with this, like I say, if you're learning Photoshop, get this one. If you just want to learn Photoshop. But what I recommend is learn Photoshop, learn Illustrator, learn Premiere Pro, learn all the applications so you can be more, have more experience in different areas. Okay? So that's the Creative Cloud plans. So thanks for watching. Take care.